Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert Facebook icon in World. So you can very easily insert this Facebook icon in World. So firstly you need to click on insert, and here you see this in some of World version will be show this icon option. So you can click on icon and search this Facebook symbol, but in your case this is not showing or not you can find this icon. So you need to simply search this website, and here need to search. Yeah, you see this will be showing this images, this Facebook images, and this social media, and this subscribe. So this is Facebook, so just click on it, and here free download, and here select this size and click on download and check this box and complete this task and click on download, and in world you need to click on insert and pictures, and here you see this first in my, just click on download folder, and here you see this Facebook icon, so just click on it and click on insert. So you see this Facebook symbol will be very easily insert, and you can customize also here. So very easily you can insert Facebook symbol in World. So thanks for watching this video.